Today is going to show you guys how you get your hair from this to this. Very easy. Let's get started. My hair is similar like my skin condition. It's like combined oily. It's not extremely oily, but after wash my hair, it will only last 2 or maximum 3 days. In summertime, I need to pretty much wash my hair every other day. So now it's been 2 days I haven't washed my hair. The bottom of my hair is still okay, but the top, you see, it's a little bit of hair oil coming out. Look, it's already showing very flat. So what I start with is to use a dry shampoo. This one, which I used recently, is really good, called Spets. This one. The great thing about this brand is there is no white powdery at all. It's literally see-through, but very effective. What I usually do is just go to slightly more area. And this one lasts quite well. So it's not only 1 day, but 2. You can sleep over with it. I wouldn't recommend 2, but sometimes, you know, one was too busy with Emily in the evening and couldn't get a chance to wash their hair. Then I will, leave it until the following day, and this one is totally fine. And all you do is just massage on your scalp. Okay, then I open the same roots here. Can you see? Here it's already back to normal. And then let's take a closer look. It looks very fresh. Now we haven't finished yet. Then use something like this. Recently I bought this hair straightener. It's not straightener, it's more like a curler, which is very convenient. It's because it has the, look, this way is better. So it has the curler on the top as well as the bottom. So all you need to do is press. Because with normal curler like the stick, you need to go round with your hair, and it's a little bit dangerous and easy to hurt your finger, and it's not really friendly for short hair like this. But for this one, you don't have those concerns. You can touch the top, the side as well. You just need to clip, then you have the curl. Let me show you. There is button over here, and there are 3 temperatures. The lowest one is 165, 185 to 110. So if you're a little bit stubborn hair like myself, you go for 185. If you're extremely stubborn one, then you go for 210. The fringe, if you want your finishing is to this side, then you need to start from the other way around. What I do is I go on here like that. Just use your hand, very easy. You don't need to be that precise. Use a clip if it helps. Then you take out a certain amount of hair, not to be too thick, okay? Just help it to flatten out. Then what do is you hold this curler to the bottom. You just clip 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then you see the curl. Just go for the bottom one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. See? I know now it looks odd as it's just one, but once you finish it, it will look very cute. It looks odd, right? Don't worry. It will be all together after we finished it. Another reason I really like this one is you don't need techniques at all. You literally just clip. Because with a lot of type of curl, sometimes you do require a bit technique, And with the hair technique, I have good makeup techniques in comparison, but hairs, no, not really good. And can you see? The front, let it cool down, then let's do the back. If you feel here you want a little bit more curl, myself, I quite like a little bit, fluffy one. If you don't like this too much, if you feel this is too much, all you need to do is use a bit of hair oil or hair gel, and it's kind of just to strain it out and let it just kind of like close it down a little bit. But because I know the weight of my own hair, so give about a half an hour, it will come down a little bit. It won't be like this, and once it's set, then it's set. It can last me whole day long. To be honest, even following day morning as well. If I don't wash my hair tonight, it will almost remain. I still need to touch it up the following day morning, but at least remain the shape of it. I really like this little thing. In China, it's called the cat paw, which is very obvious shape of it. I find that this is very familiar with my type of length. You're not too long, you're not too short. Use a straightener, you kind of get confused, at least I do, get confused in terms of you curl this way or the other way around. When you use a actual stick curler, 9 out of 10, I hurt my fingers. Besides, you're so difficult to control what your back look like. And this one, look. This requires no brain. But you just need to remember that if you are a little bit thicker hair like me, you need to go for more layers, not to get too thick hair, and for this one to be click on. It will take a longer time to get it curled and it's not that effective. If you have similar challenges as mine, little bit oily scalp, easy to get flat on top, and you a little bit lazy, like me, don't want to wash hair every other day or that often, dry shampoo and a clip type curler. That's all you need. That's all you need. So hopefully you find today's video is somehow helpful, and thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will see you on my next video.